Hi my love, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my second series of my Halloween costume. And I have channeled my inner Blair Waldorf. So this video I am making a super gathered skirt. It's giving prep and it's giving stylish and it's giving Halloween sleek. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so grab your fabric and let's sew. If you like this video, do it to subscribe to my channel. Welcome back, guys. So I'll be using this leftover fabric that I used in making a school uniform way back. I bought a fabric and I don't know where the fabric is, and after filming this video I saw the fabric and the story was too long. I don't think I want to bore you guys with it. If you want to make a pleated skirt, 1 yard or 1.5 is enough for you to do that. So the piece fabric, I just divide the pieces that I have for the band in two places. I'm just going to fold it like so. I'm going to cut so I can get the length of my waist. And I'm also going to use a lining piece to join the band together because the skirt is already short. So the next thing I did was just to divide the piece of fabric in two places. So I'll have both the front and the back of my skirt. So I also go ahead to pleat this. I'm going to use a loose stitch to gather this. And afterwards, I've gone ahead to sew my band. I have a detailed video on how you can create a gathered skirt. I'll also drop the link of that video in the description box. So this is what I have after I was done gathering my skirt for Blair. And I'm going to also go ahead to join the piece together. So what I'm going to do is to join this part together. I'm going to sew with a straight stitch there and also do the same thing on this other side of the skirt, but I'll just leave a space for my zip allowance. And afterwards I'll also go ahead to show you guys what we have. So I pressed part of my band and I'm also going to go ahead to join this piece together. I don't want this video to be as long as the previous one. And by the way, if you've not seen the video on how we created the the pleated skirt, please do it to check it out. That was the first Halloween series. So I'm going to also join the midpoint of this band to the midpoint of my skirt, taking the left, which is the back part of my skirt, to the back part of my lining piece together. I'm going to go ahead to pin that part that we did not fold inside. I also joined the end part of it to it, and mind you, this band is exactly my waist band. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead to pin round like you see me doing in this video, and I'll try to gather this because this is a school uniform and it was so difficult to gather when I was trying to gather it. But I'm going to use my pin to arrange and make sure that they are uniformly gathered. And if you're following along, I would advise you do the same for your own fabric. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead to sew a straight stitch on that part. Mind you, this fold was on the left side of my fabric. So afterwards, I'm going to fold that pressed part on the right side and stitch. So this is what I have after I was done with the stitch. I've gone ahead to sew a straight stitch on that part by the left side. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn the folded part to the right side of my fabric like you see me doing, and I'm going to sew a straight stitch on that end. So I'll go ahead to pin it down. Because of the fabric, the uniform fabric has the tendency of bringing out its feathers. I don't know what it's called, but if you know what it's called, do it, put it on the comment section. I'll go ahead to stitch like you see me demonstrating. And after I was done after I was done, this is what I have, and the skirt is quite short. I don't really want my Blair skirt to be short. If it was Serena, I would have been very comfortable. So I don't think I'll be folding this. I'll only just go ahead to fix my zip and I don't know, probably bias this at the end. So I'll go ahead to fix my zip, and probably on Saturday when we'll be doing the testing look, I'll go ahead to show you guys the decision that we made on this skirt. And if this video was helpful, please do wait to subscribe to my channel and follow me for more DIY like this. And please do wait to share this video for most people that want to be inspired to create a Halloween look. And this is what I have after I was done fixing my zip. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial like I do. And if you want to see this Halloween look on me, do wait to keep watching my Halloween series, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.